Hey people, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making sweet and sour chicken that tastes just like KFC popcorn chicken. First we're soaking our chicken breast, cut in small pieces, soak it in our butter. And I'll link the video in my description for how you can make the butter, since I made it in a previous video. Next we move on to our sweet and sour sauce. Also, I'll link that video for you to check out. Don't want this video to be too long and repeated. Next we're getting our oil hot for our chicken. So we're gonna flour our chicken, regular flouring, just like when you have French fried chicken. Flour our chicken and deep fry them. Please remember to click the like button on this video to let YouTube know that you like the video, and share it with your friends. And if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Let's have some chicken. Our chicken is looking so good, it's coming along great. So after both sides of our chicken is brown, we're gonna cover it and leave it to simmer for a bit so it can soak better. And for the fun part, we're dipping our chicken or fried chicken into the sauce. Let that boil for a minute or two. And you don't have to put all the chicken in, you can eat some crispy fried. And there you have it, sweet and sour chicken. Thank you for watching, guys.